Is the goal a world where every knowledge worker effectively becomes this agent manager instead of just a knowledge worker?
Yeah, it's a metaphor. I think that makes sense.
Now, let me show you what that actually looks like, because with this new Claude feature, for the first time, it feels like I'm just conducting agents to do my work. This is day 4 of 5 levels to make Claude 10 times smarter. Every level before this, you were just chatting back and forth with a window. But level 4 is Cowork. It connects Claudes to the files on your computer and allows you to run multiple agents all at the same time. All right, so this is Claude Cowork, and we can just take a look at 3 tasks that I recently ran at the same time. So here, I was working on a brand pitch deck. Here, I had a quick outline of what I wanted in my brand pitch deck. So I dropped it in here and said create a slide deck, and notice it just decided to run the exact skills that it needed. And if you click in these, you can see that's a PowerPoint skill, our brand skill, our voice guide. I didn't have to reference them. We went over skills in level 3, so make sure to check that out. The second task I had to do was refine how I introduce myself and my professional background. You can see here I just said make my introduction better, and it just decided to pull in my company overview and also my brand voice guide all on its own. And third, this is my favorite example. And when I gave it this task, I wasn't sure it was going to actually be able to do it. So I did a photo shoot and I had 276 videos, and this is for my editor. So I wanted to clearly be able to label the photos. They were all named something like image 4373. So I asked it, could it analyze each of the photos and then label what my emotion was on my face as well as the gesture that I was making in the photo. That way my editor and I can easily sort through the photos and select the ones we need for different media assets. And here you can see it just took its time and worked through every single thing. And let's see the final product. And here we go. You can see all the file names have been changed, and let's just test one out. So both thumbs up. If we go to gallery view, you can see it's accurate. So the system really starts to compound every level you go up. The projects you set up, the connectors you linked, and all the skills that you built can all be tapped into with Cowork. Tomorrow, I'll show you the final level. This is how Claude can run for hours and build almost anything. So make sure you're following so you don't miss it.